Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 10 client on VirtualBox. So we're gonna click next button here, and here we're gonna name our machine. For me it will be Windows 10 Hard Reset. As you can see, if we type Windows 10, it's already choose Windows 10. We don't have to do anything. We click next. Here we can change our base memory. I will have this much, and the processors. I think that's enough. Here I will change nothing because it's just disk size. I don't think it's important to change. Who knows? And now we can power on our machine. So as you can see, we have to click on our ISO. I have my ISO here. Open. And now we click Mount and Retry Boot. You can download the ISO from the original Windows website. Just you have to type Windows 10 ISO. And as you can see, everything is working fine. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.